Extract the seed of 3 avocados and look what happens. Fruits are a source of food that helps keep us strong and healthy. There are many spells with fruits. Keep in mind that fruits are the result of the long work that nature does. That's why the fruit is used to make spells. Fruits were from ancient times a symbol of purity and also of the forbidden. Spells and rituals with 2 fruits. 1. Avocado. To attract luck in casino games and in gambling, avocado is used specifically its black and hard seed that is located in the center of the fruit. To do this, the seed of 3 avocados must be extracted one Sunday. Then, it should be left in the open for 3 nights when there is a full moon. Then, in an orange silk sachet, these seeds should be placed and the sachet will be finally closed by sewing with red thread. This bag should be carried over whenever we buy lotteries or when we play with lucky numbers. 2. Figs. This fruit has been very used in different rituals throughout the centuries. Can also be used to attract luck in everything related to the world of work and in salary increases. To do this, place 6 dried figs in the center of a white dish. Around the figs, 4 coins of legal course, the largest ones found, can be arranged in such a way as to coincide with the 4 cardinal points. Then, we will write on a paper cut in triangle form the work desire that we want to achieve and place it under the plate with figures. Every day the figs will be turned clockwise a quarter of a turn.